A cafe. A cinema. A park. A shop. To watch. Watch TV. Watch a film. To meet. Meet friends. Meet at a cafe. Where can I drink coffee? You can drink it at a cafe. Where can we buy apples? You can buy them in a shop. Where can they watch a film? They can watch it at the cinema. Where can she take photos? She can take them in a park. Where can she read a book? She can read it in her bedroom. Where can he meet his friends? He can meet them at a cafe. Let's. I'm bored. Can we watch a film? Yes, let's watch it at the cinema. We are hungry. Can we eat a pizza? Yes, let's eat it at a cafe. I'm bored. Can we meet our friends? Yes, let's meet them in a park. The children are thirsty. Can we buy them a bottle of water? Yes, let's buy it in that shop. I'm tired. Can we watch a film? Yes, let's watch it at home. I'm busy. Can we meet your friends at 6? Yes, let's meet them at a cafe. I'm bored. Can we watch TV? Yes, let's watch it in my bedroom.